Education is evolving, but employability and real-world skills are not keeping pace. Across the world, students complete school and college without the practical skills required for careers, innovation, or entrepreneurship. At STEM Academy, we are addressing this gap. We are a skill-focused STEM education startup dedicated to building future-ready learners through STEM skill and emerging technologies. Through our global learning platform, STEM Academy, we deliver structured, skill-based education to students from school level to college and early career professionals. Our programs are designed to move learners from theory to application, from consumption to creation. For school students, we build foundational STEM skills, logical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. For college students, we focus on employability skills, industry-relevant technologies, and hands-on exposure aligned with future careers. Our courses are accessible globally, enabling learners from different regions to upskill using a structured, guided, and practical learning model. This ensures equal access to quality skill education, regardless of geography. By integrating STEM education with innovation and entrepreneurship thinking, we help students become confident problem solvers, future employees, and startup founders. Our impact extends beyond learning. We build capability, confidence, and career readiness. Our mission aligns with India's vision of building a skilled, innovative, and globally competitive workforce. Through skill education, we contribute to economic growth, employment generation, and innovation-driven development. STEM Academy is not just an education platform. We are enabling the next generation of skilled professionals, innovators, and entrepreneurs, from India to the world, building skills, building innovation, building the future.